I'm going to show you how to fix the failed to initialize Vulkan error message in Dota 2. So the first thing we need to do is obviously open up Steam, navigate to library and find Dota 2. The first thing you want to do is right click on Dota 2 and go to properties, then click installed files and hit verify integrity of game files. If you have loads of different guides selected within the game, or you've played lots of different custom games, this might take a few minutes to do, but you don't have to wait for it to finish before moving on to the next step. Next, go to the General tab, and under Launch Options, I want you to type dash no vid space dash console space dash DX11. Then close this box and launch Dota 2 and see if that has fixed the issue. If it's still not working, we want to right click on Dota 2 again, navigate to Manage, and then click Browse Local File. From here, you want to click Game, then bin, then Win64, and you want to find the Dota 2 application here. Right click on it, then select Properties. From here, you want to click on Compatibility and then check Disable Full Screen Optimization and then check Run this program as an administrator. Click OK and then launch Dota 2 from here and see if that has fixed the issue. If it's still not working, we want to right click on Dota 2 again and go to Properties once again. Go back to Compatibility and then under Compatibility Mode, you want to click Run this program in Compatibility Mode and try Windows 8. So press apply and see if that fixes the issue. And if that still isn't working, give Windows 7 a try and do the same. Then press OK and then launch Dota 2.